that thing there. There's a hole here. You gotta press that. Okay, there we go. There, that's it. That's it. One of these fell off. So I'm gonna plug her in, make it look bigger, fuller. Seems like they're all on one side for some reason. I don't know why. I think that's better. We took this one piece out that was on the bottom, and then we just put it on this table. We're gonna cover it with a white thing and then put the presents all around it. And that'll be it. Of course, you need a nice, beautiful base to make it look beautiful. As you can see, she's a genius. And then we're gonna put all the presents on there and maybe some bulbs.
I just have the glass bulbs I'm putting on.
This is a little excessive. Check out the bulbs. We went all out for this Christmas. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos like this. Peace out.